2003 XJ6 3 litre. I think the actual name of it is the X351, not the 300, it's the 351. The alloy bodied Jag. Very lightweight, very economic to drive, good insurance, well, it's on classic car insurance, it's very, very good.
So let's walk us round the car, Baz. So we'll just do it once round.
I wasn't really keen on a silver Jag, but it grows on you, the colour. The X351, the alloy, it's the aluminium bodied model.
And Baz, we're going to do drone footage as well. We're a bit short on parking today. It's busy here in Twistle today, isn't it?
And the sun's come out, so it's nice, you know.
The clunk test.
Oh, here we go.
Solid.
What a lovely sound.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. So let's open the bonnet, Baz. Let's see the.
Right. Hop to the side. So for a 20-year-old car, it's very good.
Nice.
Very clean, tidy.
So this is the engine bay, folks. So talk us through, so obviously the heart of the car here, the V6.
It's a V6 with a rear wheel drive.
Yeah. And so what's that for? Coolant?
Coolant, yeah.
For
A screen wash.
Fuses.
That's a power steering.
Now, yeah, I noticed this wire here, Baz. Is that?
It's got air suspension, which I was a bit worried about, but it's reliable, you know, so that's the main thing.
Nice. That's a big lump there, isn't it? And this is 3 litres.
3 litre, yeah.
Right. Is that what is this here? Is this?
Well, so the brake fluid is in there. There's the brake fluid.
Oh, cool. So it's kind of neatly tucked away there. What's on this side, Baz?
That's just access to the interior. You'll see it there.
Oh, cabin filter.
Yeah, cabin filter.
That'll be very easy to change if you.
Yeah, you can use it as a manual there. If it's a J gate, so you just move it in there, and it will change then second, third, fourth, 5-speed gearbox.
Yeah.
The automatic then is across the road there. That's in drive or whatever. You got your neutral, reverse, and park.
Nice. And what's that noise?
It's okay.
And what about this, Baz? Is that sports?
That's
mode?
a sports drive. You put it forward in for sports mode, which obviously it's a bit longer change for the gears.
Okay.
And that is the ABS control.
Is that? Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
And let's have a look at. So do you know what I like about these? Is you just press that button.
There we go. Look at that.
Slowly comes down. It's a really stylish cabin. And then we'll do the clunk test from inside. That's a proper solid FUD, isn't it?
Yeah.
Solid FUD.
Solid
FUD.
Look at that, Tariq.
Right, so
lovely condition, like a Recaro seat.
yeah, so this is the passenger side, and yeah. So
it hugs you.
Unmarked, but it's not like a proper, like you know, like the new cars. Like it really hugs you, so it's uncomfortable. This is, I think, a good balance between sportiness and comfort.
Yeah.
So it's comfortable to sit in. Then we have got the electric seat functions here. So obviously to go back, to go forward, to tilt it, and then you've got the headrest. Go up and down there. Then you've got the bolsters there. You press that one there, and you can adjust the bolsters from there. And you've got the Jaguar kick plate here. Okay guys, so we're going to look at each panel now, each door card. So this is a passenger door card, so you can see it's got small cubby there to storage of items. We've got the speaker there. We've got the wood finishing, beautiful kind of design there, which matches the elegance of a Jag. Metal kind of trim there. So we'll do rear clunk test. What do you think of that, Tariq? Ah, that's cool. What is that?
Stick.
That's your Jaguar walking stick.
Jaguar walking stick.
Look at that, folks. But you don't need a walking stick, Baz.
Not yet.
Yes.
Not yet, but I'm just getting ready for it.
Right, so this is a rear door card. Again, so same finishing throughout. So we've got the beautiful finishing, wood finishing. We've got a cubby hole there. Put a few things in there. We've got the speaker, the Jaguar kick plate. Right, Baz, we're at this beautiful golf club, and I think the Jaguar is a fitting car for this environment. So, in the cabin of your car, Baz, so just talk us through your car.
I've always liked Jags, mainly for the wood and the leather. You like sitting in sort of your armchair here and all this wood here. Absolutely fantastic. Well, on the steering wheel we've got the cruise control down here. On the other side is the volumes for the stereo, etc. On here, nice wooden half leather steering wheel. Just take the key out of the ignition. You'll see the actual steering wheel moves up when you're getting out of the car.
That's a nice touch, isn't it?
Give access to the car. As soon as you put the ignition in, it'll come down to your level you want.
And you can adjust it from
You can adjust it there, yeah. I'll put it on probably on automatic, have it on manual, whatever you want, on there.
Okay. Talk us through these dials. So.
Right, we've got, as you can see, that I'll switch it on the. All the lights should go out, which they have done. We've got the temperature gauge far right. The petrol gauge, that's a blow up. Looks like we've run out of petrol nearly, not to worry. Speedo, and this is for your cruise control, or you just tell you what we're doing. It tells you I've got 55 miles that we've done with the fuel we had. The range is 58 miles. Average fuel 18.6 miles to the gallon.
And Baz, how do you do that? So you're pressing that button there on the stalk.
And then we button on here now.
Yeah.
And it tells you virtually everything. Distance you've done, whatever.
And Baz, what I like about these dials is they're like they're kind of coming out.
That's
so
right.
It's like a privilege to see the information there, isn't it?
Like an aeroplane cockpit, really.
Yeah.
I suppose.
In fact, did you know, Baz, that this dash is actually inspired by the Spitfire wing?
No, I didn't know that at all. No.
I'll get you a shot there.
Yeah.
We can see there.
Yeah.
Okay, so Baz, talk us through the.
Well, this is obviously the heat control there. Your fan moves up in sections there for your heat. We've got it on 20 degrees at the moment. We've put it on automatic. It's got air conditioning on there. And we've got the heated front screen, heated rear screen. And your mode, you put the mode there, you can see it light up there. We've got the air vent to the face there, which is working now, and the foot vent. Obviously this has got dual control for that's the passenger side and this side, and the driver's side this side. Then the next thing, you've got all the buttons for the stereo. Just see what we've got. Probably have rock and roll on, I think.
I've got to turn the volume up.
You've turned the volume down.
I'll get copyright. Copyright strike. But okay, so is that CD?
That's the single CD player there.
Yeah.
We've also got a 6-pack in the back CD player.
Okay.
And
talk us through this lovely J-gate, Baz.
Well, this is the look at that cigarette. They've never been used. Absolutely fantastic, brand new cigar lighter or whatever down there. Then you got your J-gate. I think the guy was called Randall, but he invented this J-gate to the shape of the Jaguar, whatever. That's for your manual gearbox. I think it says 5-speed there, but on the auto I'm sure it's a 6-speed gearbox.
And
yeah, because it will, because it says 5 there, and that's a sport mode, and that is your ABS, whatever. You can press it on whatever, and it'll light up on the dash.
Is that traction control?
Traction control. You probably see it light up on the dash. Turn it off. There, it's gone off.
And that is the.
Oh, this I love this. It is the handbrake. Up, obviously, to put it on. Down, press the foot brake to go off, and it goes off.
Nice.
Should do, but it's not in gear yet.
What's this?
Well, this is nice. I only found out this the other day. I always did it like that back, and which left this cubby hole sort of uncovered. Then you've got the more storage space there. But if you just touch that and it slides down, you've got a decent armrest. Electric seats are here, go down, up. I've probably got it at the biggest height going up, backwards and forwards. I think this is a nice touch where they do the, you know.
Oh, the kick plate.
Yeah, the kick plates, that's a nice touch. I mean, this car is just 20 years old and it's only had 2 owners. The condition of the car, I couldn't believe it when I saw it. There's no chips on the bonnet at all.
And what are the seats like, Baz?
Very like Recaro seats. They grip your thighs there, which is nice, you know, and you're very, very comfortable. There's no, I'll show you, get out, no wear on the seat. Have a look at the seat, there's no wear at all. You know, absolutely pristine.
Yeah, they're nice, very good condition, and they're very comfortable as well. So these functions forward and back, and then I think you've got the bolster there, haven't you, Baz? The bolsters. But yeah, Baz, talk us through these dials here.
Oh, this one, well, this is it's got a reset button. That is for your computer, for your miles per gallon, etc. Yeah. A and B, so you've got either trip A or trip B. Miles or kilometres, you can have it on. You can see there.
This must be a new feature because not all Jags have that, do
That's
they?
right. You can just change it to mile kilometres. This is your dimmer switch. Then your fog lights is there. Petrol filler cap. Just press that, and the filler cap opens. That opens the boot. Apparently it's got all the same dials as the actual V8's got.
Yeah.
And say this is virtually, I think this is they call it the SE model, special edition or whatever.
Let's have a look at the dials. I love that cockpit. The dials.
It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, it is.
So let's look at the door card. You can see it's appointed beautifully with the wood grain style insert on the right. We've got the leather on the right hand side as well of the door. We've got the switches, the electric mirrors, electric windows. We've got a speaker, and we've also got the cubby hole for storage of items.
I mean, look inside the doors there. There's no rust, no nothing. Yeah, absolutely pristine.
And as we go into the back, same story, beautiful presentation of wood combined with leather, all nicely finished.
I don't think the back seats look like they've been sat in, do they? There's no creases on the seats at all.
Yeah, it's very clean, Baz, isn't it?
I mean, look at the back seats. I don't think they've been sat in. Probably been owned by a director or something.
I love these alloys.
Look, they've never been curbed, have they? Look, I don't think I mean, it's one of the nicest Jaguars I think I've had.
Do the clung test.
Oh yeah. Are you ready for this? Listen to that. Listen to that.
Brilliant.
Fantastic.
Brilliant. So Baz, let's have a look at the boot.
Quite full at the moment.
Yeah, we've got a lot of stuff in there. You've got your cleaning equipment and stuff. But this is where the CD is, isn't it?
That's right in there, yeah, it is. It does come there.
Yeah, so you put your CDs in
there.
So that's a magazine cartridge system. And I've noticed it's got a nice lining there, hasn't it?
Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah.
Nice lining all the way around.
Lovely condition. Even that's lined. You know, it's nice, like carpeted.
And we've got light. Yeah.
Yeah.